eFax is now supported on Yeastar P-Series PBX. This means Yeastar can integrate with third-party online fax services to enable fax to email, as long as you send and receive faxes with Linkus UC Client. By the end of this session, you will know exactly how to configure integrations, assign permissions, and send or receive faxes directly through Linkus without needing a physical fax line. First, to access these features, please upgrade the PBX to a supported version or later. Ensure your PBX is remotely accessible via domain or public IP. Let's start from the PBX side. Log into the P-Series Software Edition as an administrator. Go to Integration and select Fax. Here you can add a new integration with your chosen service provider. Yeastar currently supports Telnix Fax and IZT Cloud Fax. Let's choose IZT for this setup. Click Add, select IZT Fax, and copy the system-generated webhook URL. Now switch to the IZT Cloud Fax portal. The first step is to create an API key. Log into your IZT account, go to Settings, and click Manage API Keys. Generate a new key, enter a name for the key, and click Generate. Copy the key for later use. Next, create a notification group. Go to Notification, click Create Group, and set the notification name. Add a webhook. Select Post as the method, and paste the webhook URL from the PBX into the URL field. Leave the other parameters as default. Create the group. Afterward, associate it with the fax number. Go to Numbers, click View. Select the number to use for fax, and link it to the notification group you just created. This ensures incoming faxes on this number go to the PBX. Return to the PBX. On the fax integration page, enter the API key. If you need fax to email, go to Settings and assign extension emails or other addresses to receive inbound faxes as email attachments. Now set up your fax number. In Fax Numbers, click Add. Enter your fax numbers in E.164 format without hyphens, and assign send and receive permissions to relevant extensions or departments. Finally, click Save. Check the status on the fax page if connected correctly. Before proceeding, review retention and storage settings by going to System, Storage, Fax Data Auto Cleanup. By default, fax files are kept at 1024 megabits. Logs are kept for 7 days or up to 200,000 entries. Adjust the file size or dates as needed. The log count is fixed. With the PBX setup complete, let's see how users can send and receive faxes via Linkus. First, ensure the administrator has granted send and receive permissions to your extension. Open Linkus web or desktop and go to Fax. To send a fax, select Send Fax. Upload the PDF, up to 50 megabits, and not encrypted. Add recipient, either manually or from your phone book, up to 1,000 recipients at once. Choose your from number. Add a cover page if desired, and select whether to send immediately or schedule for later. After sending, see the status in the Send tab, where you can view success or failure, preview, download, or delete the fax. You can cancel scheduled faxes before sending. For received faxes, go to the Received tab. You can preview, download, forward to another fax number or email. If fax to email is configured, faxes will be delivered directly to the mailbox. Cover pages are supported. Administrator can upload up to 20 system-wide cover pages in PDF format under Integration, Fax, Cover Pages. Users can upload up to 10 personal cover pages in Linkus with a maximum size of 5 megabits and no encryption support. For logs and exports, administrators can select fax records and download them as a zip file containing CSV logs and PDFs, or as an individual PDF. Deletion options include user-initiated removal in Linkus or central removal by the administrator in the PBX. And that's it. With the online fax integration set up and user permissions assigned, you can now send and receive faxes seamlessly inside Linkus, with options for scheduling, forwarding, cover pages, and retention policies. No physical fax lines, just a fully integrated digital solution.